Good morning, my dear students. I'm happy to meet you all once again for a video presentation like this. You can share the video with your friends. You can advise them to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Subscription has no charges. The very idea of subscription is to get automatic notification about the new videos being uploaded to the channel. Now, this video presentation deals with section C of model paper 2 meant for class 12 of CBSE of term 2. The first question goes like this. It's totally a different problem. Just see here, evaluate. You can just learn the answer as it is. I won't say it is difficult. I'll move on to the answer directly. Integral dx by x power 4 plus 1. You can just learn the answers as it is. X square, I'll take x square as common in the denominator. I'll just multiply and divide by 2 and take x square to the numerator now. X square by 1 by x square. I can write this as 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square, minus 1 minus 1 by x square, not plus, 1 plus 1 by x square minus 1 minus 1 by x square. Learn the steps as it is. I won't say it is difficult, but x square plus 1 by x square. I'll make it into two integrals now. Half integral 1 plus 1 by x square dx divided by x square plus 1 by x square minus half into integral 1 minus 1 by x square into dx by x square plus 1 by x square. If you observe carefully, the numerator here is nothing but derivative of x minus 1 by x. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of minus 1 by x is minus into minus 1 at x power minus 2. It should be plus 1 by x square. I can make the denominator as a perfect square in x minus 1 by x as x minus 1 by x the whole square plus 2. Just expand here. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2 plus 2 will be nothing but simply x square plus 1 by x square. Here this is nothing but derivative x plus 1 by x. D of x is 1, d of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. I can write the denominator as a perfect square as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Therefore, this can be written as du by u square plus root 2 the whole square minus half into dv by v square minus root 2 the whole square, where what is my u? U is x minus 1 by x. What is my v? V is x plus 1 by x. Therefore, this will be equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 tan inverse u by root 2 minus half into 1 by 2 root 2 log mod v minus root 2 by v plus root 2 plus c. Now let me substitute. I have space over here. Let me just write over here 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse. It is x minus 1 by x by root 2. Okay, then minus 1 by 4 root 2 log mod x plus 1 by x minus root 2 by x plus 1 by x plus root 2 plus c. Here this is nothing but you can even take LCM over here. So 1 by, I will just dictate the last part again. 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 by root 2x minus 1 by 4 root 2 log mod x square minus 1 minus root 2x by x square plus 1 plus root 2x. This by x will get cancelled automatically. I just repeat the whole process again. I take x square as common in the second step in the denominator. Therefore, this becomes x square plus 1 by x square. Multiply this x power 4 plus 1 it becomes. Now take 1 by x square to the numerator and multiply and divide by 2. This 2 by x square can be written as 1 plus 1 by x square minus 1 minus 1 by x square. Sorry, this minus is missing. Sorry. Minus 1 minus 1 by x square. 1 minus 1 goes off. This will become 2 by x square. I make it into two integrals. If you look at carefully, numerator is derivative x plus or x minus 1 by x. D of x is 1, d of minus 1 by x is plus 1 by x square. I can make the denominator as a perfect square. X minus 1 by x the whole square plus 2x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. Here d of x plus 1 by x, see here Denominator can be written x plus 1 by x minus whole square minus 2. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 minus 2 goes off. It can be written as 1 by 2 du by u square plus root 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 integral dv by v square minus root 2 the whole square. My u is x minus 1 by x, v is x plus 1 by x. This is by formula 1 by root 2 tan inverse u by root 2. This is by formula 1 by 2 root 2 log mod b minus root by v plus root 2 plus c. Replace u as x minus 1 by x, v as x plus 1 by x. After taking LCM, the last step I haven't written over here. 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 by root 2x minus 1 by 4 root 2 log mod x square minus root 2x plus 1 by x square plus root 2x plus 1 plus c will be the final answer. That will be the final answer. I don't think it is difficult. This sum we call it as a unique problem. You better learn the answer as it is. We can't replace it by, for example, I did one problem already in one of the videos, integral e power 4x tan 4x plus secant square 4x. You can replace 4 by 5. Integral e power 5x tan 5x plus secant square 5x dx. E power ax bracket tan ax plus secant square ax dx. A can be any real number, but this problem is unique. We can't replace it by any other value. Then next question goes like this. Find area of the region bounded by the latus rectum of the parabola y square equal to 12x. Just see, this is the question. Latus rectum of the parabola y square equal to 12x. This is the question, just see. I'll just do the problem just here. I'll do the answer here. Answer the problem. Okay. Y square is equal to 12x is the parabola with vertex 0, 0 passing through 0, 0. Just have a perfect square, you call it as 3, 6, 3, minus 6, and it is symmetric. It is symmetric with respect to x-axis. If I replace y by minus y, equation doesn't change. Therefore, it is symmetric with respect to x-axis. That's the meaning. Just a rough diagram will do. Just see here, 4a is equal to 12. Now, 4a is equal to 3. Now, 4, 1, 2, 3. X is equal to 3 will be the corresponding latus rectum. X is equal to 3 is the latus rectum of the parabola. Latus rectum of the parabola. Okay, now since it is symmetric with respect to the parabola is symmetric with the x-axis, therefore required area is equal to twice of shaded area in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, since it is symmetric with respect to x-axis, it means the parabola. Okay, twice of integral 0 to 3, twice of, see here, integral 0 to 3. What is my y value? Y I have to choose from the parabola. Twice of root 12 into root x dx, which is twice of 2 root 3 into x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 0 to 3, which is equal to 8 root 3 by 3 into 3 power 3 by 2 minus 0. Therefore, 8 by 3 into the 3 power half plus 3 power 3 by 2. 3 power half plus 3 by 2. How much I get? It is reduced to 3 square. Okay, it is reduced to 3 square. Therefore, it is reduced to 24 square units. Answer is 24 square units. Let me just repeat the whole process again. Y square equal to 12x is the parabola with vertex 0, 0 passing through. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 3, y is plus or minus 6. Y square is 36, y is plus or minus, and it is symmetric with respect to x-axis. Replace y by minus y, equation remains the same. That's the real meaning of symmetricity with respect to x-axis. Now this is the diagram. Now y square equal to 4x, this is general format. 4a equal to 12, therefore a equal to 3. For x is equal to 3, which is parallel to the y-axis and passing through 3, 0, is the lattice rectangle of the parabola. Now for required area is the whole area is the required area. Twice of the area is the shaded portion because of the symmetricity of the curve with respect to x-axis. Twice of 0 to 3, y is root 12 into root x. Root 12 is nothing but 2 root 3. Now for this 2 goes up, 8 root 3, 8 power 3 by 2 3 by 2, 8 root 3 by 3 into per limit 3 power 3 by 2 minus 1, 3 power half plus 3 power 3 by 2, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 2 is 2, 3 square is 9. Now 4, 9 by 3 is 3, 8 3s are 24, therefore 24 square units will be the required area. 24 square units is the required area. 24 square units is the required area. I hope it is easier for anybody to follow. Just you are allowed to go back and check the particular portion if you don't follow any of the steps. Go back and check how it is being drawn, etc. Then learn the question thoroughly. Learn the answer thoroughly. It's not at all difficult. Just you need to apply your mind to understand. Little bit. Need to apply your mind little bit to understand. Next question goes like this. Find the foot of the perpendicular drawn from 1, 2, 3 to the line x plus 1 whole by 1 is equal to y minus 2 whole by 2 is equal to z minus 3 whole by 4. Just see, this is the question given to you. This is the question given to you. Okay, let me just draw the left diagram. Okay, I take the point as a 1, 2, 3. This is the line given to you. Let me draw the perpendicular here. Okay, foot of the perpendicular will be, the line here is x plus 1 by 1 is equal to y minus 2 by 2 is equal to z minus 3 by 4. These things you can write in your answer. Let the given point be capital A 1, 2, 3. Given line is, you write it down. Okay, x plus 1 whole by 1 is equal to y minus 2 whole by 2 is z minus 3 whole by 4. Okay, now general point on 1 is, if we equate it to k, it will be in terms of k. If I equate it to lambda, it will be in terms of lambda. Therefore, it will be k plus 1, 2k plus 2, 4k plus 3. Okay, now for some value of k, some real value of k, it coincides with b, where b is the foot to the perpendicular drawn from A to 1. Now, drs of AB vector or AB line, AB, either way you can write, or here I will write, what are they? K plus 1 minus 1, then 2k plus 2 minus 2, then 4k plus 3 minus 3, 4k plus 3 minus 3. Therefore, they are nothing but, sorry, here there is a small error. It is k minus 1, k minus 1, 2k minus 2, 4k minus 3. I am sorry, I am extremely sorry. K minus 1, y minus 2 only, no? Then 2k plus 2. This is 4k plus 3 only. Only here it is k minus 1. Sorry. K minus 1, 2k plus 2 is correct. 4k plus 3 is correct. It is k minus 1. Sorry. Only correction is only here. Okay. Now for this will be k minus 1 minus 1. Which is, of course, what are they? K minus 2, 2k, 4k. K minus 2, 2k, 4k. Just listen carefully. Now, AB vector is perpendicular to 1. Therefore, by condition for perpendicularity, we get, what do I end up with? K minus 2 into 1 plus 2k into 2 plus 4k into 4 is equal to 0, which implies k plus 4k plus 16k will be is equal to how much you get? 2. Only k minus 2, that k minus 2 goes there, which implies 21k is equal to 2, which implies k is 2 by 21. Therefore, foot of the perpendicular is B. How do I end up at 2 by 21 minus 1? 4 by 21 plus 2, then 8 by 21 plus 3. Taking LCM, we end up with automatically minus 19 by 21. Then here 82 plus 42 plus 4, 46 by 21. Then of course 63 plus 8, 71 by 21. This is the one you get finally. Let me just repeat the whole process. I assume the point to be A 1, 2, 3. This is the given line. General point here is k minus 1. Sorry, initially I wrote it as k plus 1. It is k minus 1, 2k plus 2, 4k plus 3. It should be, if it is x minus 1, k plus 1 is correct. It is x plus 1, therefore it is k minus 1. I equate it to k, x value becomes k minus 1. General x value. Y value becomes 2k plus 2. Z value becomes 4k plus 3. For infinitely many real values of k, the point will keep on moving on the line. And for some real value of k, it coincides with B. What is the significance of B? B is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from A to the given line. Therefore, now dr is wavy vector. If a line passes through x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, the drs are given by x2 minus x1, y2 minus 1, z2 minus z1. Remember carefully. K minus 1, minus 1. 2k plus 2, minus 2. 4k plus 3, minus 3. K minus 2, 2k, 4k. Now AB vector is perpendicular to the line. Two lines in 3D are perpendicular if and only if sum of product of corresponding components of dr is equal to 0. Now for component of dr here is k minus 2 I component. K minus 2 into 1 plus 2k into 2 plus 4k into 4 is equal to 0. Therefore k plus 4k plus 16k is equal to 2. 20 plus 1, 21k. K becomes 2 by 21. Therefore come back here. The required point is 2 by 21 minus 1, 4 by 21 plus 2, then 4 2s are 8 by 21 plus 3. For taking LCM, minus 19 by 21. Okay, I have to put a bracket over here also. Put one more bracket here. I forgot to put a bracket here. Okay, then 2 into 21 is 42, 42 plus 2, 4, 46 by 21. Then this is 63 plus 81. 71 by 21, 63 plus 81. It's correct. It's correct only. Therefore, understand carefully and then do it. It's totally different from the way it's being done in a plane. How to get a foot of the perpendicular from plane. The application is totally different. Try to understand the logic behind the steps and then you just practice once again. Go through the answer here and practice on your own in your notebook. And come back and check the answer here. That's the way you are supposed to do any sum in mathematics. You need to understand and then you should do. Just listen carefully. Two boys, next question goes like this. Two boys, Ram and Rahul, play a game of throwing a die alternately. The one who gets a number less than 5 first is considered to be the winner. Find the probability of solution 1, Ram winning the game if Ram starts the game. Ram winning the game if Rahul starts the game. This is the question given to you. This is the question. Just read the question if you want. Just read the question. Just see here. When we throw a die, sample space is equal to S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Probability of getting a number less than 5. P of getting a number less than 5. P of getting a number less than 5, which is equal to n of 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by n of s, which is 4 by 6, which is 2 by 3. P of getting a number greater than or equal to 5, it's a complement. 1 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Now for anybody to get this number, it is 2 by 3. Not getting less than 5 or getting a number greater than or equal to 5 is 1 by 3. Okay, first subdivision. Just imagine carefully, Rom starts the game given. Okay, what is the probability of Rom winning the game? Therefore, when Rom throws the die, if he gets a number less than 5, Rahul won't even get a chance to throw. He wins in the first attempt itself. If he loses, he'll get a chance to win only when Rahul even loses. That's the way it is being understood. Now for probability of Rom winning the game, if Rom starts the game, is equal to P of Rom wins plus P of Rom loses, comma Rahul loses, comma Rom wins, plus etc. It goes further. It's an infinite method. It goes further. Nobody knows when it stops, when it's going to stop. Therefore, here you mean to say anybody winning means here the person has to get a number less than 5. Therefore, it should be 2 by 3. Therefore, here you get winning is 2 by 3, losing is 1 by 3. Getting a number less than 5 is 2 by 3. Getting a number greater than or equal to 5 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus etc. It's a formula under infinite GP. It's a formula under infinite GP. Just listen carefully. The formula here is A by 1 minus R, where my A is 2 by 3, my R is 1 by 9, 1 by 3 the whole square. Now for 2 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 9 is equal to 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. Therefore, the answer here is 3 by 4. The answer becomes 3 by 4. Now, subdivision 2. Probability that, what is the question given to you? P of Rom winning the game if Rahul starts the game. Is equal to P of Rahul loses, Rom wins, plus P of, I'll take another pen, it's not writing properly, 1 second. P of Rahul loses, Rom loses, Rahul loses, then Rom wins, which is equal to, Rahul loses means 1 by 3, Rom wins means 2 by 3. Here 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus etc. Here plus etc. in the previous step also. This is equal to 2 by 9 divided by 1 minus 1 by 9. See here A by 1 minus R is the formula. Here again A is nothing but 2 by 9. Here of course your R is again 1 by 9 as in the previous case. Now 2 by 9 into 9 by 8. This is reduced to 1 by 4. Answer becomes 1 by 4 automatically. Answer becomes 1 by 4. Answer becomes 1 by 4 automatically. Answer becomes 1 by 4. Let me just repeat the whole process again. When we throw a die, sample space, there are 6 spaces in a die, and you get just any of the 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each space has a number 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now P of getting a number less than 5, n of 1, 2, 3, 4, any number from 1 to 3, 4 by n of s, 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. P of getting a number greater than or equal to 5, it will be n of 5, 6 by n of s. That is also correct, 2 by 6, 1 by 3, or its complement, either way you can write. P of Rom winning the game if Rom starts the game. Rom wins in his first attempt, or Rom wins the second attempt, Rom wins in third attempt. That's the meaning. Therefore, how do I write it? P of Rom wins. So P of Rom loses, Rom loses, Rom wins, plus etc. Rom wins means 2 by 3. Plus Rom loses, Rom loses means 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, plus etc. It's a formula under infinite GP. Here my A is 2 by 3, R is 1 by 9. 2 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 9. 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. 3 by 4 is the answer. Rom winning the game if Rahul starts the game. Now for Rahul has to lose in his first attempt. Therefore, P of Rahul loses, Rom wins. So P of Rahul loses, Rom loses. Rahul loses, Rom wins. That's the meaning. That's how it goes. Now for 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. Plus it goes further because you have no idea when Rom wins. He can win at any time. Therefore, it's again an infinite GP where A is 2 by 9. 2 by 9 by 1 minus R. R is 1 by 9. 2 by 9 into 9 by 8. Answer happens to be 1 by 4. Answer happens to be 1 by 4. I don't think it's a difficult task. You need to just again understand. You need to just understand how it is being done. You need to just understand how it is being done. Learn the logic behind that. It's almost 25 minutes. There is no other go if I want to finish the whole section in one video. Thank you students for patient watching.